Today we will be demonstrating how to install your brand new Arcadian Double Fountain. With your order you should receive the following components: a pedestal base, a large ornate bowl, a smaller ornate bowl combined with a pedestal, a pump and cable gland. It is important for your fountain to be placed on a flat, even surface. This will allow the water to flow proportionally down from the top bowl. We recommend using a spirit level to test this. For the next step, feed the cable gland through the bottom of the ornate bowl and then through the pedestal base. Place the large ornate bowl on top of the pedestal base, ensuring that it sits evenly. Using an Allen key, ensure that the cable gland is tightened to avoid water seeping through to the bottom. To assist with placing the smaller bowl on top of the larger bowl, we recommend using a wooden plank or polystyrene to prevent damaging your fountain. Ensure that the pump is set to your desired setting. We suggest a midway to start before connecting it to the pipe at the bottom of the smaller bowl. Carefully place the smaller bowl into the groove of the larger bowl. For the final step, pour water into the ornate bowls. Ensure there is a sufficient level of water to completely cover the pump to prevent air bubbles from forming. Once plugged into a power source, the water should begin to flow. You are now ready to enjoy your Arcadian Double Fountain.